Hey you guys, what's up? So it is that time of the month again. The Ipsy Boxycharm box is here. So if you would like to see what's inside this month's box, then just stay tuned. A little disclaimer, Ipsy did send me this Boxycharm box to try. All right, so the first thing inside this month's box is the little newsletter here that says glow off this winter. Glow off with confidence all season long with oh so luxe skincare shimmery makeup and the joy of sharing beauty and creating memories with those you love most. And then on the inside, it's got some holiday beauty trends as well as some product must-haves. Inside this month's box, the first product is the Murad Environmental Shield Essential C Cleanser. I have tried this cleanser out before and really liked it. This has like vitamin A, C, and E, and it's going to really help remove any pollution or dirt from the skin. Next in the box, we've got the Sinage Collagen Boosting Serum. This is going to plump and smooth the skin. And this smells so good, you guys. It has patchouli in it, so it's got a very kind of aromatherapy kind of smell. This is made with vegan collagen. It is cruelty-free. It's paraben-free and has botanical ingredients. And what's really cool about Sinage is they are French origin since 1994. Next in this month's box, we've got the Dew of the Gods Hyaluronic Lip Butter. This is Apple Sugar Plum. I believe we received a lip butter from Dew of the Gods in last month's glam bag, if I'm not mistaken. The little strawberry mandarin hyaluronic lip butter. And now we've got the Apple Sugar Plum. This smells so good, you guys. Smells so good. And it just leaves the lips feeling very moisturized and supple and soft. Moving right along, we have this Disco Drip Eyeshadow Palette by Violet Voss. You guys, I do have this eyeshadow palette on my eyes today. It is so pretty. Looks like that. And opening it up, it looks like that. Comes with a huge mirror inside. Let me do it this way so you guys can see. And the shade names for all of these shades are so cute. I'm just going to swatch a few of these on my fingers so you guys can kind of see what we are working with pigment-wise. Very pretty. Last but not least, in this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box, we've got the Bare Minerals Maximist Volumizing Mascara. This definitely does what it says it does. It volumizes, it maximizes, and the wand looks a little something like that. It really grips onto every lash strand and, like I said, volumizes and maximizes your lashes. Well, that is it, you guys, for this month's Ipsy Boxycharm box. Let me know down in the comments below what product was your favorite or which one you hope to receive inside your Boxycharm. With the Boxycharm option, you get 5 full-size products. Members choose 3 products. Everything in the box is worth up to $200, and it's only $30 a month. I just want to say a big thank you to Ipsy for sending me yet another Boxycharm box to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very soon. Bye, you guys.